Okay, the single motor version has been restored to operational capability. There it is. There was tons of corrosion on it, rust, the spring clips were bent, they had to be straightened out. The inside spring clips, they were touching each other. It was shorted out for a number of reasons. But what we've basically done is just cleaned it, and now we can give it a try. So let's take a look. Let's see how it works. It takes a lot of power to get it going. The gears they have not been touched yet. So it's really kind of struggling to get running. But it is mechanically, it's sound. So we can run it back and forth. Let's try something. Let's see if it can make it through the switches. Number 6, number 4. That is a wavy piece of track in between there. So if we can make it through this, it's in pretty good shape. Alright, so here it comes. Uh-oh. Not enough power. This thing's it's really asking for a lot of power to get rolling. I'm going up to about 70% to get it going. But look at that. It goes through a 4 and a 6 connected together. Definitely not the straightest track in the world and not the most level track. But as you can see here, it is mechanically, it's in pretty good shape. So that gives us really something to work with. We're in pretty good shape for putting in a new motor, and if we clean up those gears and things, it'll draw a lot less power, and it will be, I think it's going to turn out pretty good. Looks pretty decent.